The new medium-capacity Maxi GT with touring features and top-notch construction and equipment is the SYM Cruisym 400. With a brand new look that sets it apart from earlier models, SYM introduces the SYM Cruisym 400, the biggest model in the Cruisym family to date. With a huge fairing or apron, full LED illumination, and adjustable gel for maximum weather protection, the headlamp has a unique space look. The rear light's matrix design was influenced by automobile architecture. The passenger sits higher, the saddle is roomy, especially for the rider, and the fairing is high on the floor. The saddle height is only 780 mm, and the rider's seat's backrest may be adjusted. With a 399 cubic centimeters engine, the new Cruisym 400 will naturally be built on the excellent Maxim 400 Maxi scooter, which has 34 horsepower at 6,750 rpm and 3.8 kilograms of torque at 5,000 rpm. The rear suspension features 2 shock absorbers, and the frame is made of tubular steel, lattice style, and conventional forks. In addition to having Bosch ABS, dual-channel traction control, and a keyless start system, the 400 includes a sizable storage area beneath the seat that is likely sufficient to accommodate 2 full-face helmets, as needed by the class. Additionally, the SYM Cruisym 400 features a 7-inch color TFT display that shows real-time data like tire pressure and temperature, has mobile connections, and integrates a turn-by-turn navigation system with a T-Box connection. The Cruisym also features front and rear 1080p camcorders to capture every ride.